Hello everyone, my name is Luka. So in this occasion, I would like to uh, do my final project in English, and the project is I will presentation about the slide, and that is the question. Later I will answer the question, and the second is I want to describing the country. I want to describing the Arab, and then the last project that is explaining my portfolio. Later, I will show about my website. In my website, there is my achievement project and teaching experience and others. So let's start the question.
Okay, Divka. So please answer the question from me in 9 minutes. The first question, please tell me about yourself.
Okay, so my name is Rafif Dafa Divka Pertama, and other people call me Divka. And in here, I sit in 9B class, and then I live in Depok. Yeah, uh, my target or my goals it is want to be programmer and want to be make my parents to be happy, and then uh, I am people like focus of one project. I cannot do like two project or three project and others. I just can uh, do one project, not many project, because I have to focus if when I study, and then yeah, um, I get many motivate from my parents, like you must be hard work, because if you do hard work, if you hard work, you can be successful person. And then yeah, so I want to in the after middle school, I want to choose the RPL division, yeah, because I want to be a programmer, because I very like the code, because yeah, the code is like memorizing. So I very like memorize, because in when I elementary school, I always memorize like Hamas Quran, Hadith, and because of that, uh, in today and until now, I like memorizing. So uh, yeah, maybe that's all.
Okay.
But
Your school where is your school now?
now in SMP Edinburgh,
Okay, Sebastian. So the major is IT, yeah?
yes.
Okay, the subject is focused on IT. Anyway, I want to ask you about web have you created? Do you have web?
Of course, I have some web that I create in seventh grade. Actually, in the first semester and second semester. The first semester in seventh grade, I make some personal website. I make personal website from WordPress, and then the domain I buy in ID Cloud. Yeah, I make the personal website. The first I use template for the first website that I make, and after that I learning in YouTube, in media social, and then I can make website from myself, from my idea, and not not use template. And then in my personal website there is my profile, my teaching experience, my gallery, my project that I already create in SMP. And yeah, that is my achievement that I get from elementary school until the middle school. So the second website that is school website in second semester. Second semester in seventh grade, I make some school website, and in the school website there is some lesson in school, and there is some like registering uh, for for register if you want to school in there. And yeah, I made the website is in WordPress too, and I use plugin in WordPress that is Elementor. Uh, the third project in the third website that is most website. Yeah, actually most website is use template too and use WordPress too. And then in most website there is some schedule for pray, and there is the photo of mouse and others. So yeah, the point is I make the personal website not using template, and the school website and the mouse website I not upgrade again because I'm lazy to upgrade the domain. And yeah, of course the upgrade the domain is need pay.
Okay, done. Okay, so next one is what kind of app have you created?
In ninth grade, there is it learn about make application in Modular and in Android Studio. In Modular, I make 5 applications. The first is card name application. The second is radio Islamic application. The third is Talk to Me application. The fourth is uh, calculate application, and the fifth is TikTok application. So in Modular, I make application with code. Yeah, in Modular just drag and drop the code like Scratch, because that in Modular is very easy to make the application. But if very easy, the minus in controller is there is no many function in controller, and better in Android Studio. But the minus in Android Studio is very hard because we must to type the code, and we must to memorize the code and others. In Android Studio, I make with Taqwa application. In Bitaqwa application, there is many menu in there. There is calculate for zakat, and there is pray for pray. The example is pray if you want to go, or if you want to go outside yeah. In Bitaqwa, there is the schedule for pray too, and I will explain to the first project in Condoler. That is card name. In card name application have some my name, my contact, my and description from myself. And then the second is Radio Islamic. So in Radio Islamic we can hear some Islam from Radio Islamic in other website. And the third is Takumi application. So we can type the word, and the application can say the word that we type. And then the fourth application is the calculate application. We can calculate like calculate rectangle, triangle, and others.
Okay. Thank you. The last one is please give me the word for IDN short. Give me short words for IDN.
Maybe yeah. Maybe the word for IDN is upgrade the Wi-Fi, because the Wi-Fi is make the student hard for finish the project. And then give we the time for like a break, like in Sunday and in Saturday.
Done? Okay, thank you very much, Divka. So now you can go to the presentation, please.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. So, in this question, I would like to describe some countries that is Arab. So, let's start the slide. The first is introduction about Arab. The Arab countries collectively referred to as the Arab world comprise 22 countries in the Middle East and North Africa region where Arabic is predominantly spoken. The nations share common cultural, historical, and linguistic values. And then about Arab. The Arab country has a capital city. The capital city is Riyadh. Riyadh is the capital of Saudi Arabia. Located in the Nejd area. Riyadh is located in the center of the Arabian Peninsula and is inhabited by more than 4,500,000 people. And in education in Arab, the education pattern in Saudi Arabia is quite good and makes it easy for people to get an education, because the school of it are free, starting from state schools and private schools. And about resident in Arab, the Arab world consists of 24 countries and territories with a population of 325 million people on 2 continents. And then the word known as Arab. The first is wealth of natural resources, and the second is Islamic worship center, because in Arab there is Mecca. And then the next is conflict and politics, and the fourth is technology and innovation, and the last is art and architecture. So, the Arab president, the name is Sheikh Muhammad bin Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan BTNG. colloquially known by his initials MB. MB, is the third president of the United Arab Emirates, throne of Abu Dhabi, and supreme commander of the United Arab Emirates Armed Forces. Okay, maybe that's all for me about describing the country of Arab Saudi. And sorry if I have some.
Continue or not? The portfolio. Don't close.
Okay, so we continue about my portfolio.
But this is only 3 minutes.
Okay, everyone. So I will show my portfolio in my website. So my name is Ramsa Farko Pertama, and I'm the student in Aiden Boarding School. And now I am 14 years old. And yeah, let's scroll. In Aiden Boarding School, I have learned about computer religion, speak English, Islamic religion, and rest is Hafiz. And then I have several projects. Later I will show you about all of my project. And yeah, this is my teaching experience in 8th grade. And in 9th grade I have 2 times to teaching. And then this is the testimonial from the student that I have teach in that school. And the testimonial is, yeah, maybe the good course. And the last is, this is my contact in my website. I have I already show my contact in my portfolio. And okay, I will show you about my project. The first from secondary. The first is editorial. The first editorial in 8th grade is making blog remote control. Making blog remote control in some website that for IoT project. And the second project is Figma basic tutorial. I have made video for you all for learn Figma. And then the third project is object detection. This project is same like the first project about IoT too, but the third IoT tutorial is more hard. And the last project is make glow effect.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalam.
Make glow effect. I make glow effect in Photopea in website. The result of my project like that, like some glow in the photo. And then go to my multimedia project. So the first my multimedia project is illustration. I have made some illustration like that in 8th grade, the first semester, and this is the first project in multimedia. And the second project is food poster. I made this in Figma and in 8th grade 2 in the first semester, and that is the whole poster. So this is the work poster that I have made in Figma 2. And then the title is the prohibition of sitting alone with a person who is not mahram. The fourth project is Instagram post. There is second slide and there is the third slide and until seven slide. This is about the font in Figma, the good font in Figma. And then the fifth project is infographic. I make this project in with Dava and Ahmad. I have some group to make this project. And then the sixth project is visual merchandise. I have some four design in visual merchandise. The first is cover book design. The second is t-shirt design, and then toothpick design, and last is book design. And the next project is UI design. I have three screen or three screen in UI design, and the title of UI design is movie application, and this is UI design prototype. So in this project we can click the design and we can like play the application. And the next project is Muslim app. This project is same like the seven project in design, but this is there is some group to make this UI design. And then the next project is redesign. I have some building and I make this in Spline for make 3D design. And the next project is 3D website. So I make 3D website in Spline 2. And this glow effect like in a tutorial. And the next is this is the profile. It's the wrong title. This is the video profile IDN, and I have some group. There is Friend and Ahmad, and then go to the next project.
Yeah.
Okay, this is my design project. The first design project is promotion of sitting of the opposite sex, and the second project is prohibition of harassment, and the third project is Arabic conversion. This is the video in my YouTube, and next project is mind mapping Wiki. The title is Jumat Prayer. The what Adam in Jumat Prayer. And next project is presentation about Sirah. This presentation is about hijrah prophet from Mecca to Madinah. And the next is code of conduct. And then the second project is zakat questions. And the next project is obligation to fulfill invitations. And the next is the food. And then Arabic conversation too. And the last is prophet's right. Okay, after that I will show you about my English food. my English project. The first is about ayat tutorial with English language. The second is about hijrah Rasulullah. I presentation in English language. And the third is a short movie. The title is CP2. And the fourth is podcast about impact of technology. The fifth is McLeod effect. This is a tutorial with English. And the next is companion of Rasulullah. And the seventh is short movie too about the title is the secret of happiness. The eighth is the danger of stealing. This is my presentation. And the ninth is a video tutorial about how to make Talk2Me application. And the last is study plan. Okay, the last is I will show you about my achievement that I have get in IDN Guruk School. Okay, the first achievement is poster competition. This I get the first winner when the poster competition, and the second is the best movie contest, and then best student, and there is many certificate again. Okay, maybe that's all for me about my portfolio. And sorry if I have some mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.